nice. So what's next?
Next is Sidi Bou Said.
Sidi Bou Said, yeah? Okay.
White and blue village.
Like Santorini.
Like in Greece or something.
Like in Greece. Okay, let's go to Sidi Bou Said.
Sidi Bou Said.
Sidi Bou Said.
Sidi Bou Said, yes.
Sidi Bou Said.
It's the name of the good person.
Good person. This is Dan Ezzahra, yeah? Ezzahra, yeah, mashallah.
Too busy here now.
Right.
Normally
Yeah.
it's busy.
Okay. You also have a tram here, yeah?
Yeah. It comes here, the green one.
Oh, it's coming, yeah. Tunis. It's artificial, yeah?
Yeah, artificial, yeah.
It's all blue and white, yeah? That's the place where we're going.
So you will go right side.
Right side, yeah.
Right side. And with me, I will go down now left side.
Okay.
When you come to this.
जी इस वक्त हम लोग हैं जी सीदी बू सईद। ये ट्यूनिस कैपिटल से तकरीबन 20 किलोमीटर दूर है। एक बहुत खूबसूरत एक टाउन कह लें, इसको एक विलेज कह लें। और यहाँ पर जितने भी घर हैं वो वाइट कलर के और उनकी विंडोज़ ब्लू कलर की हैं। ग्रीस में ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपने बहुत कॉमनली देखा होगा। तो लेकिन काफ़ी एक टूरिस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं इस जगह को देखने के लिए। तो आप जब भी कभी ट्यूनिस हो तो इस जगह को ज़रूर विज़िट करें। तो चलें चल के थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं जिस टाउन को। Orange tree जी, very nice. ये कुछ इस किस्म की देखें souvenir shops बनी हुई हैं, restaurants, cafes, इधर भी आप जा सकते हैं। लेकिन आप जब भी आएँ आप मेक श्योर करें कि आपके जूते कंफर्टेबल हों, क्योंकि ये सारी स्टोन पेविंग है और सारी ये पहाड़ के ऊपर जैसे आप ऊपर आपको थोड़ा चढ़ना पड़ता है, तो आपके जूते ज़रा कंफर्टेबल होने चाहिए। souvenir shop. Hello my friend. Salam brother, how are you? This is the best shop I know. I have seen you in YouTube video. Chris, with Chris.
Yeah. He's a very good person, by the way.
Really? When did he come here?
Like in summer.
In summer, last summer, yeah? Ah, okay. I saw your video, yeah.
Yeah, I see it. He's very famous, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Where are you from, brother?
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
Biryani, yeah?
Biryani, chicken, korma.
Yeah. Is the first time Tunisia?
First time Tunisia.
How you feel? You like it?
Yeah, beautiful country, beautiful cities, and peoples are super friendly.
Thank you, brother.
And but we are staying in Monastir.
Monastir is nice also? Monastir?
Yeah, Monastir is very nice. Yeah, nice hotels on the Mediterranean Sea. So we are just here for a day trip. Yeah. Nice. So we'll go explore and then we'll come back. We might buy.
Anytime, bro.
Yeah.
Like I promised with the crease, I say if someone full crease and come for me in my shop.
Oh yes, yes. He
I
said.
have the best price on it.
Okay, okay, Chris. If you're watching, so let's try my luck. If if we can get 50% off. Okay, my friend. What's your name?
Ashraf.
Ashraf.
And you,
Ashraf.
brother?
Azam.
Awesome. Nice to meet you, Mr.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Thanks. So me and brother Ashraf going for Zohar prayer. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mashallah, that's nice. So that's the mosque. Yeah.
Yeah, the mosque.
Okay. So how old this town?
This town, it's like from 17th century.
Oh, 17th century.
Yeah.
All right.
Have a nice view of it.
Oh yeah. Mediterranean Sea, beautiful, beautiful.
So when you go straight later, you'll see a nice view.
Oh, it looks like Santorini. You see?
Yeah, many people say same thing. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's like this.
Yeah.
Look at those Santorini.
Yeah. So that's the mosque, mashallah, yeah?
Yeah, this is the next one.
Mashallah. So inshallah we will offer our Zohar prayer here. Okay, okay. This is. Sorry, who is he?
Sidi Bou Said.
Oh, Sidi Bou Said, yeah.
Wali Salah.
So he was a wali, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So this place is by his name.
Of course, yeah.
Okay, mashallah, nice.
Yes, it will be. Sidi Bou Said many years ago, it's like the school for Sufi.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. And he was from Tunisia? Or?
Yeah.
Oh,
From
okay.
Baji. He's like Baji.
Right, yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Tunisia.
Okay. So that's the entrance of the mosque? Yeah. And where we can ablution, yeah? Okay, I'll do it. Mashallah, so that's the masjid. Mashallah. Okay. Okay, brother. I'll see you later, inshallah, yeah? Jazakallah. Jazakallah khair. Jazakallah. ये जब लोग इकट्ठी माशाल्लाह मस्जिद में नमाज पढ़ी है ज़ोहर की चलें जी इस टाउन को इस विलेज को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं
Shigeli ba shashri kuri tugudai doba doba Shigeli ba shashri mishiri tugudai doba doba Shigeli ba shashri ege tugudai doba doba Shigeli ba shashri diya tugudai doba 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 doba, doba doba, doba doba, doba doba.
चलते हैं जी पास इधर अच्छा लोग नीचे भी जा रहे हैं सामने मरीना बना हुआ है कोई
Anita ta doba doba
ये जी सामने मुझे कैफे नजर आया जी कैफे सीदी शाबान तो यहाँ बैठकर कोई चाय कॉफी वगैरह पीते हैं कैफे सीदी शाबान सलाम अलैकुम हाउ आर यू कैफे
Café Dédé. Ah oui, elle va faire une photo.
जी ये कैफे की एंट्रेंस जी ब्लू पैरासोल्स लगी हुई हैं वाइट एंड ब्लू और एक वाइट डोम एंड विंडी अस्सलाम वालेकुम ओके तो फ्रेश जूस वगैरह भी सर्व करते हैं जी यहाँ पर। मेरा ख्याल है नीचे चलते हैं ताकि हमें मेडिटेरेनियन सी का व्यू साफ नज़र आए वहाँ से। नीचे चलते हैं। ओके, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Hello, 2 people, yeah?
Yes, just stay here in the shade.
Okay, we go there. Alright जी, चलें जी, बैठते हैं नीचे चलकर। Okay. ये जी हमने एक चिकन शवरमा इनका ऑर्डर किया है विद सीजर सैलड and beautiful view of Mediterranean Sea. Thank you very much, Ashraf. Ashraf. So, Chris, if you're watching us, as he promised with you, I came to his shop and I said, you know, Chris said, if I come to this, if anyone comes to this shop, you know, he will give us 50% discount.
Best price,
So he kept his promise and he gave us good discounts.
Good.
Yeah, thank you very much. And he's a good man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Thank you
so much.
तो ये था जी एक शॉर्ट सा ट्रिप। हवा थोड़ी तेज चल रही है। तो ये था सीद बू सैद का एक शॉर्ट सा ट्रिप। अच्छी जगह, खूबसूरत जगह। हमने यहाँ पर तकरीबन 2 से 3 घंटे गुजारे होंगे। तो चलें जी, इस जगह से भी निकलते हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह आपसे अगली एपिसोड में मुलाकात करते हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया आपका।